I'm just down at Bolibel with Angel. He's just pulling into this field with a 12-metre Citan drill from Amazon. This is from More Farm Services. This is their last day of drilling winter wheat. And we're just at the back of the drill now, and Angel's turned the fan on, and he's going to come out and he's going to check along each of these pipes, which is where the seed comes out here. So it's pressurised tank on the drill there. They've got flow meters which live just there, which monitor to make sure that there's air going down the seeds. I think you can count the seeds, I think. Might be wrong there. But that feels like a hairdryer, and Angel's going to go along, check. These are the coulters. And it opens the ground up there, and the seed gets then blown in. And then after that, the tines will cover the seeds back up, and you've got the little press wheels will then just consolidate that back down. So Angel's just running across now with his hand to make sure all of them are blowing out. And what they're trying on the farm, this is an organic farm, and they do struggle with the weeds. So they've got a mixture of siskin and ex-days of organic wheat, and the idea is they grow to different heights, and they're hoping that that blend will help cover off the light. They're just giving it a try. This is a trial field. We'll cover off the light because some of the wheat heads will grow halfway up and the others will grow taller. So yeah, always worth trying. You never know what's going to happen, and without farmers giving things a go, we do not progress forward. Now Angel's just coming to the end of this run, which joins up with the headlands that he has already drilled. He looks after his machine, nice, clean and shiny. He's taking it steady because it is quite wet still. And we'll watch this drop in, and then hopefully we might be able to see some of the seed being dropped down, some of the wheat. Down it comes. Off he goes. Yeah, I can see some in there, so I'll try and zoom in. There you go. Just there. I'll slow it down as well. The way this drill's set up, it reminds me of a bridge, like a suspension bridge with the towers. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.